CH2M Hill Plateau Remediation Company continues to demolish more facilities across the site. This week, decommission and demolition crews are back up on Ale. Our crews are readying and taking down the last structures on top of Rattlesnake Mountain, including this 165-foot Crown Castle Communications Tower. Our crews were able to use a loader and cables to pull down the tower as an excavator clipped a guide wire and toppled the structure. The steel structure was then cut up and moved to Arid for disposal. CHPRC is using Recovery Act funds for the demolition, and there are still 2 more towers and 3 small structures left to demolish on the mountain.